Good morning one and all who are present here. Do you know how affect the crops? Which are the birds that eat and damage the crops? Which birds were in the olden days? To know more about the fields and birds, we are here with our ATL project. My name is Vade Haprakash form class 9th of KV Bimalnagar. My team members are Our focal theme is to understand ecosystem and well-being. Our theme is agriculture. Our sub-theme is birds in the paddy field.
Peddapalli is a village located in Karnataka Kolar which is for rice cultivation, and more colorful different species of birds are found like house sparrows, crane and kingfisher quail. The climate is favorable for their survival. These birds use rice/paddy fields, foraging on a variety of prey, nesting in the crop and infringe in vegetation. These conflicts also exist. The sustainable solution for reducing drop depredation is a need for the farmers. Also, some technique will help avoid direct or indirect effects of lethal bird control techniques on bird species. Birds occupy a wide range of ecological position. Some bird are generation, others are highly specialized in their habitat or food requirements. Even within a single habitat, such as a forest, the niches occupied by different species of birds vary, with some species feeding in the forest canopy, other beneath the canopy, and still other on the forest floor. Forest birds may be insectivores, frugivores or nectarious. Aquatic birds generally feed by fishing, plant eater and piracy or Kelptoparasitium. Many grassland birds are grenivorous. Birds of prey specialize in hunting mammals or other birds, while vultures specialized scavengers. Birds are also preyed upon by a range of mammals including a few vigorous bats. A wide range of endectoparasites depend on birds, and some parasites they are transmitted from parent to young have co-evolved and show host specificity. Some nectar-feeding birds are important pollinators and may play a key role in seed dispersal. Plants and pollinating birds often evolve, and in some cases a flower's primary pollinators is the only species capable of reaching its nectar. However, one side it helps farmers, but in other side it damages the crops and make our farmers' condition even worse. Many avian species damage crops during sowing, seeding and ripening stages, leading to economic losses to farmers. The most crop-damaging bird is crow. Our objective for our project: to study the behavior of birds in the paddy fields. Pros and cons of birds in various fields of farming. Issues and problem faced by farmers due to birds. How to overcome the problem. Our work plan for the project is to collect the data and analyze it. After that, spread awareness not to pollute the lake, save birds from radiation. Visit a village. Visit a biologist. Visit a farm. Survey some farmers with questionnaire. Our methods for survey method. Prepare questionnaires for survey and divide it to our group member. Meet a biologist in SMJ College KGF. Stat survey the biologist. Distribute the paper to the biologist. Visit a village. Take survey from farmers. Distribute the paper to the questionnaire to the farmers. Help them if they don't understand the language. Complete the survey method.
Methods we used for awareness method. Visit a village. Go to neighboring house for awareness. Say don't pollute water and less use of cell phone. Distribute cards, save bids, save life. Make them adopt or teach them how to take care of injured birds.
The location of the village is Peddapalli, Karnataka Kolar KGF. Use the number to search in Google Map. 12.97580536932612378.254667211085339. Climate change is having an adverse effect on the people of India and its economy. NBSP, a 2019 study by Stanford University NBSP, showed India's economy is 31% smaller than it would have in the absence of global warming. At the forefront of these risks are farmers. In North Indian states such as Haryana and Punjab, NBSP, crop yields will decline by 15 to 17%. NBSP, for every 2 degrees centigrade increase in temperature. To combat some of these risks, the Indian government aims to have around 33% of tree cover by 2030. At the end of the problem part 2. Birds, known to NBSP, play an important role in pollination. Putting a check on pesky insects and rodents could also be NBSP, causing drastic decrease in crop yields by destroying them, according to a report, which calls it as an emerging concern in Indian agriculture. Birds are known to cause considerable economic damage to variety of crops during vulnerable stages in different agroecological regions of the country. The extent
We came to the conclusion. As the technology started to increase in 22nd century, the population of birds have decided declined with new age networks like 4G 5G and action intense radiation, which is the threat for not only birds but humans to limiting the use of chemical pesticides as the birds feed on them. Birth plays vital role in ecosystem as it is a part of a food chain. Best of birth improve the soil quality as it can use a
Our future plan is to control birds in paddy field. We can use a plant, Holly monday, Manding karango, that produces a sticky gum-like rubber or I thank all who have showed your patience in watching the PPT, and I hope you like our ideas and found it innovative, and I request each and all to show some interest and cooperate.